In this video, I'll show you how I write winning headlines with Gemini AI while I'm asleep. And that's only part of what I use this particular prompt for. The main reason that I do this isn't to write headlines while I'm not at my computer or while I'm sleeping. It's so that I can create an opportunity to challenge myself and improve my own copywriting skills. And if you want to see exactly how I do that, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Alex. I'm a digital marketer and content creator with Lover Fighter Writer. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the pro version of the Gemini app, and specifically its feature called scheduled runs. And if you use a different AI writer, such as ChatGPT or Claude, I'm sure that they have a similar feature to this. If you're using the free version of Gemini or of one of those other apps, you might not have access to this feature, but there's plenty of automation tools out there that have free plans on them. So you could probably find a way to hack this together with free tools if you were highly motivated to do so. And what's going on here is I created what's called a scheduled action in Gemini. And if I go to the settings tab down here, I can look at all of my scheduled actions. I only have a few right now, and actually only 2 of them are on. But you can create a scheduled action from the Gemini chat interface just by telling it to run a prompt at a specific time. So for example, you can say, run this prompt every weekday at this time, run this prompt every Thursday at this time, run this prompt on the 20th of every month, and so on. And you can include the run this prompt at this time in the initial prompt. Or if you use a prompt and you like the result, and so you want it to run every day, after you've used the prompt, you can just say, run the last prompt every day at this time, or on this day at this time. And we'll take a look at the prompt that I'm actually using here. And it's number 32 on the current version of my AI marketing prompts spreadsheet. You can get access to this entire spreadsheet full of all my favorite AI prompts for marketing and business by visiting the landing page that I'll link to in the description and signing up for my email list. And once you go through the double opt-in, I'll send you access to this spreadsheet, and I'll also send you access to a bunch of other awesome resources. And so I called this prompt the Daily Headline Challenge, and it looks like this. Run this prompt at your preferred time every weekday. Find 5 recent popular articles on Medium and 5 recent popular videos on YouTube focused on the topic of your preferred topic. Provide the title, a link to the content, and a brief synopsis of each piece of content. After that, create a table that provides 5 superior headlines for each piece of content, with a score out of 10 for each headline, with high scorers at the top. After that, provide bullet point explanations of why the top replacement headlines were winners. Now, that's a pretty long prompt, but hopefully that makes sense to you. And if I click edit right here, you can see I have that prompt right here, and I can rename this scheduled action if I want. And I can modify the instructions if I want, as well as modify the schedule right here. And I can also do that from the scheduled actions screen as well. And I'll show you what a typical run of this looks like. So you see here, it used the prompt for me, and then it has a little intro and a link to a reference. Then it has 5 popular articles on Medium with their title, the link to the article, and a brief synopsis of each. And the same thing with YouTube videos. And it looks like it has done a good job of finding relevant content. And then below that, it has created another table with the original topic and then 5 replacement headlines and a score out of 10 for each. And then it has an explanation of why the headlines that it gave the highest scores were the winners. And so at this point, you could feed those headlines into, for example, an article generating custom gem, which is something I'm going to make a video on soon. Remember to subscribe if you want to see that, and create those articles. But if you want to work on your own headline writing skills, then there's a very simple prompt you can use at this point to do so. And you can either do it right here in this chat, or you could copy all of these headlines and paste them into a new chat if you prefer. In the prompt, which I thought that I had it in this spreadsheet, but apparently I don't. So I'm going to add it as a follow-up prompt. So we have the Daily Headline Challenge. And then the follow-up prompt, if you want to test yourself against the AI, is going to be add the following headlines to the table and with scores, and then explain why they scored where they did. And you can rewrite that a little bit if you want. I might rewrite that a little bit better later on. But basically, you use this prompt, and then you write one or more headlines on the same topic following that, and it will reprint this table, including your headlines and giving them scores. So you'll see where it stacks your headlines against the ones that it wrote. And I have an entire video on how to do this process without the scheduled action part. So I'll link to that video in the description. And this is actually how I've written some of my favorite headlines, because generally the AI will write some decent headlines and some that are really good. And in order to score higher than its best headlines, I actually have to be really creative and find a way to follow the rules of copywriting effectively, but still do something different and be more unique and engaging. And so that's pretty fun. And I'll link to the tutorial that shows that entire process in the description. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to use the scheduled action to research a topic thoroughly every day. And you can spend like 5 to 10 minutes a day just reviewing what it pulls up. You can change the topic. And then if you ever want to change the topic, you can just edit it and change the headline and change the name and the instructions. Or you could just pause this one and create a different one on the different topic, and then you can turn them on and off as you prefer. And I mostly focus on the topics that are being covered and the headlines and things like that. But you could also use this on kind of a deeper level to actually consume more of the content and see what people are really putting out. Look at who's getting the most views, what people are responding to. So you could use this scheduled action prompt to generate data that you can use in a variety of different ways. This is just kind of the way that I like to use it, or that I'm using it right now at least. And so that prompt is right here in my AI marketing prompts. And the landing page looks like this. Again, the link will be in the description of this video. And I'll email you access to all these prompts, including the schedule action prompt and follow-up headline challenge prompt that we looked at today. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.
When walking in the snow, never fail to expect a Yeti attack. Unleash your chi in a focused blast.